Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about AWS Lambda, which is a very powerful tool on AWS. So you can automate everything using the Lambda, so which also runs using the code. So it is a serverless compute. So let's get into it. AWS Lambda is a cloud service that runs your code without needing to manage. You write a function, upload it to AWS, and Lambda automatically runs it when triggered by events. So we can add the events there with the conditions like a file being uploaded, a website click, or a database change. AWS Lambda is a cloud based serverless compute service that automatically runs your code in response to events. You don't need to manage servers or infrastructure, just upload your code, set trigger, and AWS handles the rest. Lambda is designed to automatically scale and execute code in milliseconds. Key benefits of serverless: no server management, no need to provision or maintain servers, scale automatically. Your app handles one or a million requests with no manual adjustments. Pay per use, you only pay when your code runs down to the millisecond. Faster development, focus more on writing code and less on managing infrastructure. So we were in the EC2 or in any other tool, so we were managing everything. But when it comes to AWS Lambda, so here we can just run everything with the code. Okay, the even if you want to use the EC2 instances, so you can add them, you can write the code, and you can add the triggers when to what needs to be done. So just run the code, and Lambda will take care of everything, creating your resources, creating everything. So it runs on the serverless model, so you don't need to handle everything. So Lambda will take care, and the scaling part, it manages. So for example, if your website is getting only 1,000 requests per day, if suddenly if you're running an offer, if you got 10 million requests on a single day, so it handles. Got it? So because it is a serverless, and pay per use only when your code runs, so it charges the amount on the millisecond basis. So let's check the Lambda. So create function, so as we discussed, so Lambda everything works on a code. Okay, you just need to add the runtime. Once you give the function name runtime, which means Python or what is your code based on, so you can use that. So mostly people use Python, like 60% use Python. So on the lambda to create the Lambda function, so and add the runtimes. So here we have the diagram. You can also create the diagram, or you can add the template. So most efficient way is to add the templates, but you can also check in the diagram using drag and drop. So this is the Lambda function which we are going to write. So Lambda function dot py. So here you can add your conditions, add your everything. So here is the Lambda handler. So see everything which we need to write in the code. It works on the code, right? So everything needs to be done to the code. So let's create a function. See, I am just showing the service in a simple video, so I'm not creating any project, but I'm just showing all the options for you. So here are the things which we have. But so as I told you, we are going with Python itself and create function. You can also check the architecture. And whatever you want, you can add using the diagram, add triggers and everything, or you can also implement them on the code or implement them through the template. So that's about the AWS Lambda. So we have a lot to do with the AWS Lambda, but I'm just showing all the options. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and comment below for more videos. Thank you.